Hello, everybody. I thought I'd show up here with some local film news, I guess. I went to my Walgreens, and much to my, um, not really surprised, but I was kind of gratified to find that I actually found this film here. They're actually selling 35 millimeter film. There must be enough of an interest or demand for bringing 35 millimeter film back into the, I guess you could call, the mainstream of consumer consciousness, because I can show you here. I bought this on the 27th of January of 2024, amongst some other minor grocery items. But yeah, it's nice to find film again. Yet there was just this one hanging, so I don't know how many were there. But when I looked at the hook, it had like a little, like a little explanation saying that this was film here. So I don't know how many units they order. This was the only one that they had, so I did buy it. And the price is like $8.50, but that's pretty much like, that's the good and the bad of get buying film now. Yeah, you can get a little cheaper by ordering it, but then you got to pay shipping and stuff like that from one of the what do you call it, the big box kind of stores in New York. I could mention names, but I won't. But the idea that you can go to like a Walgreens, and mine's only like a walking distance from where I live, and if I want to film it, they'll have good chance that they'll have it. So let me know, maybe in the comments, it has any kind of local big drugstore chains or whatever, or a big box change. I mean, yeah, they have film, but they'll usually only have like one type, kind of like this maybe. But yeah, that's kind of nice to know that maybe when other people, they might see this hanging on a rack at a Walgreens or something, they might think, hey, maybe my folks or my grandparents, they got an old 35 millimeter camera, and maybe I could try it out once they see film, in out in the wild, instead of something that's like that you have to seek out on the internet to order. And since I'm here, I got some other stuff here. Kind of a quick showing. This is a camera that I kind of collected. I kind of collected these outfit, and I still have a gadget bag that I ordered that's coming. But even now, you can still collect items and build an outfit for modest amount of money. For instance, this lens I found at a thrift store. I already had this case. This is like a SEARS brand, although it's made in Japan or Korea. Zoom lens. This was a aftermarket wide angle lens, really good quality. I found this at a thrift store also. I ordered this case because I always like to have cameras in cases for protection. The lens I ordered separately, and the body I ordered separately. But I say my total expenditure, for instance, for all this stuff is maybe about $120. So even now you can like assemble a complete outfit if you want to get into 35 millimeter SLR photography. And this camera seems to be pretty decent quality camera, even though it's not a mainstream brand, but it was made in Japan for SEARS back in probably the late 80s or something. I don't recall the exact vintage. But yeah, it's kind of nice to see film turning up in the mainstream, I guess, of consumer consciousness again. So maybe in a week or so, I might go back to the Walgreens and look in that area, see if they reordered some more film. But I got plenty of film for now. But with that, if like I said, let me know if you've been finding film back in like regular non-photography or camera stores. So with that, I'll say thank you, and hope to see you again here real soon. Bye for now.